Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve question number 12 of exercise 90, intermediate level mathematics grade 6. Jun Wei and Raj were playing golf. Their scores on the first 9 holes are shown in this table. And in golf we know that the lower the score the better it is. So in this table you can see this is the number of holes. So first hole, second till up till 9th hole. So there are in total 9 holes. And Jun Wei has scored 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 2, 2, 4 and 17 in total of 45. And Raj has scored 4, 4, 6, 8, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6 and 42 is his total score. So on base of total scores, who has won? Well, the lower the score, the better it is. So Raj has actually won it. So on the 9th hole, Jun Wei hits the golf into a sand trap and lost the game. So on the 9th hole, somehow Jun Wei actually hit his golf ball into a sand trap and therefore उसका complete जो score था वो खराब हो गया. So we have to find the mean score on the 9 holes for each player and we'll be solving all these 5 now. So firstly, part 1 is that we have to find the mean score on the 9 holes for each player, right? And how do we find the mean? Well, mean is the sum of data divided by the number of data. And what is sum of data? This is the data which is with us and this is the number of data. So once we add this data, this is the total addition, this is 45 and the number of data is 9. So once we divide 45 by 9 we get 5. And finally for Raj the total sum of data is 42. We divided by 9 we get 4.67. So अगर इस तरह से देखा जाए, so who was better? Well, Raj was better once we see the mean of these two, and definitely the total score also shows the same. Which player scored better on most of the holes? Do the mean score indicate this? Well, this is part 2 and well, if we compare we find the June अगर हम देखें, so 3 was better than 4, 2 was better than 4 because in golf the lower the score the better it is. 5 is better than 6, 7 is better than 8, 5th, well they were equal. On 6 again Jun Wei was better, on 7 they were equal, on 8th Jun Wei was again better. However, on the 9, his golf ball was sent into a sand trap and he lost the game because of that. So Jun Wei scored better on most of the holes. So out of the 9 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times Jun Wei had scored better. And therefore we get to know that mean scores, which are 5 and 4.67, they do not indicate that which was the player who scored better on most of these holes. Coming over to part 3, we have to find the median score of each player, and we know that median is the middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order. Is this data arranged into ascending order? No, this is not arranged into ascending order. The first thing we need to do is to arrange this data into ascending order, and here is the data. जो उसके scores थे, these have been arranged into ascending order. What is ascending order? Starting from the lowest value, which is 2, and going upwards 3, 4, 5, 7, and finally towards 17. And similarly for Raj 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, and 8. And now we find the middle values, and these are the middle values. Since these are 9 numbers, so we leave first 4. The 5th one is actually for median, we need to find the middle value. So 3 and 4 are actually the values for the medians. So median for Jun Wei is 3 and median for Raj is 4. And finally for part 4, what is part 4? We have to state the modal scores of each player. And modal scores क्या होते हैं? For mode it is 2. Why? Because जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा frequency होगी, और इसमें अगर हम देखें for Jun Wei सबसे ज़्यादा frequently अगर कौन सा कर रहा है 2 को अगर हम check करें, so it is happening 1 and then 2 and thrice. So first time it appears, then twice, and the second time, and then thrice. No other score has appeared 3 times for Jun Wei. So the mode for Jun Wei is 2. And here for Raj, if we see 4 has happened 2 times, then no other 4, so 4 has a frequency of 2. 6 on the other hand has 1 and 2 and 3. So 6 has happened thrice, 8 has happened only just once, and 3 has happened twice. So 6 being occurring thrice in this table, we find that mode for Raj is 6. And the last point is which average, the mean, the mode, or the median gives the best comparison of the abilities of Jun Wei and Raj, and we have to explain your answer. So as we just saw that this was only the last hole when he hit his golf ball into a sand trap. Jun Wei actually hit his golf ball into a sand trap and lost the game. Otherwise he was a better player. In most of the game he was a better player. So in mode we get to know it in the best comparison, which actually tells us how much better Jun Wei was. So coming over to the part 5, And mode gives us the best answer. Why? Because on most holes Jun Wei scored better, and mode is actually giving us the best comparison, telling us that Jun Wei was much more better than Raj, and that is the answer.